Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to show charging information on Android phone while our Android phone is being charged without turning on the screen. Alright guys, first of all, we can open our settings application on our Android phone, and here we have to open the display setting. Click on this display setting, and if you want to show a charging information on your Android phone, you have to activate the show charging information feature. You just need to click on the circle button to activate it, and right after you activate this feature, you will get the charging information while your phone is being charged without having to turn on your screen. So I'm going to show you how it looks. For example, I'm going to lock my screen like this, and then I'm going to connect my phone to my charger. Okay, and this is the information that we will get if we activate the show charging information feature. And I guess that's how we can show charging information on Android phone while our phone is being charged without turning on our screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.